So today we are going to start with chapter number 3. Please take it out. Chapter number 3 of your book. It's Say Ma We. That means it's my city. Okay. So first of all, you people are going to put the date. That is 6 juillet, 6th of July. And you're going to put the day also. That is Mardi. It's Tuesday. Okay. Everyone be ready with your blue pens, and you people are going to write the explanation in your book itself. Okay. Daksh, please write your problem in chat box as I'm going to start the chapter now. Okay. Without wasting any time. First of all, I'm going to read. Please listen to me very much carefully and just focus on the pronunciation. Okay. Please listen to me very carefully and focus on pronunciation. And after that, I'm going to explain the chapter, which you people will be going to write in the book itself. Where in the book? Above the lines. Okay? Okay? In the book itself, above the given French language, you are going to write the translation of this chapter in English. Clear, everyone? So, yes, now, say ma oui. This is the chapter and a conversation between two friends, and they are meeting after such a long time. Okay, so let us read the chapter now. Sophie et Marie sont cousins. Elles se rencontrent après longtemps. Marie est très heureuse de voir Sophie. Sophie habite à Lyon et Marie vient de Paris pour passer ses vacances chez Sophie. Sophie montre et décrit sa vie Lyon à Marie. Voyons la vie de Lyon avec Sophie. Salut Marie, comment ça va? Bienvenue dans la magnifique vie de Lyon. Salut ma chérie, je me sens très bien. Ici, c'est une vie pittoresque. Sophie, now the conversation between Sophie and Marie, randomly it will go on. Oui, tu as raison. C'est une destination idéale pour les touristes car il présente une variété de monuments, de beaux endroits et une cuisine délicieuse. Marie, oulala, c'est très intéressant. Je veux voir cette vie avec toi. Oui, bien sûr. Maman et papa, nous attendons à la maison. Allons-y. Oui, je suis très excitée de rencontrer tes parents. On va chez toi à pied et tu me dis quelque chose de ta vie. Lyon, c'est la deuxième plus grande ville de France. Il y a plus de 40 musées et théâtres qui offrent diverses attractions culturelles. Please turn on to the next page. Marie, très bien. Et quelles sont les fêtes ici? La fête de Lumière est très célèbre à Lyon. Elle se déroule au décembre. On décore sa maison avec ses guirlandes. Quels sont les monuments ici? Il y a la cathédrale Sainte-Jean. Il y a l'église Saint-Bonaventure, qui est une église gothique du 14e siècle, 14e siècle. La basilique de Fourvière et le théâtre de Guignol sont aussi des lieux célèbres à Lyon. Quel est le plus ancien musée ici? Le musée africain de Lyon est l'un des plus anciens de la ville. Est-ce que tu sais que Lyon est célèbre pour son industrie de la soie traditionnelle? Ici, nous avons beaucoup d'industries de la soie et des textiles de haute qualité. Aussi, les Lyonnais sont sympathiques et chaleureux. C'est une bonne expérience. Marie, c'est vrai, je veux voir cette oui. Now, we are going to just do the explanation of this chapter and you people will be writing with blue pen in your notebooks. So I hope you all are ready with your books and pens. Sophie and Marie are cousins. Sophie and Marie are cousins. Please write it down whenever I'll be asking you for the PDF. So I want this explanation in your books. They are meeting after a long time. They are meeting after a long time. Marie is very happy. Marie is very happy to see Sophie. Marie is very happy to see Sophie. Sophie and Marie are cousins. They are meeting after a long time. Marie is very happy to see Sophie. Sophie lives in Lyon. Sophie lives in Lyon and Marie came from Paris. Means in one of the city, that is Lyon, Sophie is living and Marie is living in the another city of France, that is Paris. So Marie is meeting her after a long time and she's coming to she's coming from Paris for passing her vacation at Sophie's house. Once again, I'm repeating this line. Marie is very happy to see Sophie. Sophie lives in Lyon and Marie is coming from Paris for passing her vacations at Sophie's house. Sophie watch and write about his city Lyon. Sophie watch and write about her city Lyon to Marie. Sophie watch and write about her city Lyon to Marie. Here is the city of Lyon with Sophie. Here is the city of Lyon with Sophie. Next, the line which is written with red color. Hi, Marie. How are you? Welcome to the magnificent city of Lyon. Hi, Marie. How are you? Welcome to the magnificent city of Lyon. Hi, my dear. Salut, ma chérie. The one which is written with green pen. Hi, my dear. Salut, ma chérie. Hi, my dear. I am feeling very good here. Je me sens très bien ici. I am feeling very good here. C'est une vie pittoresque. It is a picturesque city. It's a picturesque city. Now the conversation. Yes, you are right. It's an ideal destination for tourists. Yes, you are right. It's an ideal destination for tourists because it presents because it presents a variety of monuments because it presents a variety of monuments, beautiful places, and delicious cuisines. It's an ideal destination for tourists because it presents a variety of monuments, beautiful places, and delicious cuisines. Ooh la la, it's very interesting. I will see the city with you. It's very interesting. I will see the city with you. Next, yes, of course. Oui, bien sûr. Yes, of course. Mama and Papa are waiting for us. Mama and Papa are waiting for us in the house. Let's go. Yes, of course. Oui, bien sûr. Mama and Papa is waiting for us at the house. Let's go. Marie, oui, je suis très excitée. Yes, I'm very excited to meet your parents. Yes, I'm very excited to meet your parents. We will go to your house on foot. We will go to your house on foot, and you tell me something about your city. We'll go to the house on foot, and you will tell me something about your city. Next, Lyon, c'est la deuxième plus grande ville. Lyon is the second biggest city of France. Lyon is the second biggest city of France. There are more than 40 museums and theaters. Lyon is the second biggest city of France. There are more than 40 museums and theaters which offers there are more than 40 museums and theaters which offers various cultural attractions. There are more than 40 museums and theater which offers various cultural attraction. Now I'm going to repeat the complete page, the translation. Please listen to me once more carefully. Sophie and Mari are cousins. They are meeting after a long time. Mari is happy to see Sophie. Sophie lives in Lyon and Mari came from Paris to pass her vacations at Sophie's house. Sophie watch and write about the city Lyon to Mari. Here is the city of Lyon with Sophie. Hi Mari, how are you? Welcome to the magnificent city of Lyon. Hi my friend, hi my dear. I am feeling very good here. This is a picturesque city. Yes, you are right. It's an ideal destination for tourists because it presents the variety of monuments, beautiful places, and delicious cuisine. Ooh la la, it's very interesting. I will see the city with you. Yes, of course. Mama and Papa are waiting for us at the house. Let's go. I am very excited to meet your parents. We will go on foot and you just tell me something about your city. Lyon, it's the second biggest city of France, and there are more than 40 museums and theaters which offers different cultural attractions. I hope the first page of this chapter is clear. Each word, everything is clear to you. Marie, très bien. Et quelles sont les fêtes ici? Sophie, la fête de Lumière est très célèbre à Lyon. Elle se déroule au décembre. On décore sa maison avec les guirlandes. Quels sont les monuments ici? Il y a la cathédrale Sainte-Jeanne. Il y a l'église Sainte-Bonaventure, qui est une église gothique du 14e siècle, la basilique de Fourvière et le théâtre de Guignol sont aussi des lieux célèbres à Lyon. Now just write these two paragraphs. Very good. And what are the festivals here? Very good. And what are the festivals here? The Festival of Lights is very famous in Lyon. The Festival of Lights is very famous in Lyon. Arush, please write, okay? It comes in December. It comes in December. We decorate the house with garlands. Again, I'm repeating. Very good. What are the festivals here? The Festival of Lights is famous in Lyon and it comes in the month of December. We decorate the house with garlands. Which are the monuments here? Which are the monuments here? Quels sont les monuments ici? The Church of Saint Jean. Church of Saint Jean. The Church of Saint Bonaventure. Saint Jean and Saint Bonaventure is the name of the person. So there are two churches with the different names, and cathedral is also called as church and église is also called as church. It's a Gothic church of 14th century. It's a Gothic church of 14th century. The Basilique de Fourvière, it's also a monument. It's the name of monument. Basilique de Fourvière and Theatre of Guignol. Theatre of Guignol. Basilique de Fourvière and Theatre of Guignol are also the famous, are also most famous in Lyon. Are also most famous in Lyon. So only this we are going to do today. Okay, less than a minute is left.